Start. This is an application filed by the petitioners seeking the intervention of this court in respect of investigation in connection with crime number 1231/13 of Attingal Police Station under sections Indian Penal Code and under Article 226 of Constitution of India. It is alleged in the petition that the first petitioner is the mentally hurt father of the second petitioner, and the second petitioner is a youngster of 30 years old who was brutally manhandled at Attingal and Varkala police stations on the night of 28/10/2013 and consequently suffered severe physical difficulties. It is alleged in the petition that the second petitioner is residing along with his wife and child in a rented house at a distance of 3 kilometers from his parental house where the first petitioner is residing. He was asked by the Sub Inspector of Police Attingal to stop his vehicle with number KL 16E2346 while driving from Attingal, and when stopped, the police inspector along with the police constable caught him and took him in a police jeep and thereafter brought to Attingal police station. On reaching the police station, the sub inspector of police Attingal, who is shown as seventh respondent, brutally attacked him and caused severe injuries on him. The other police officers also attacked him. Therefore, he was taken to Varkala police station illegally, detained there, and from there also he was assaulted. On 29/10/2013 at about 9 am, when first petitioner, his wife and father-in-law of the second petitioner went to police station to inquire about the missing of the second petitioner and went there to lodge a complaint regarding the same. At that time, they were shocked to see the second petitioner in the police station with his hands and legs tied up and in a hanging position inside the lockup room. Since his mobile phone was taken by the police, they did not even permit him to contact his relatives. Thereafter, he was released on bail at 10 p.m. in the night and treated at medical college for his injuries. Thereafter, he was taken to Medical College Hospital, Trivandrum, for treatment evidenced by Exhibit P1, P2, P3, and P4. Thereafter, though he made complaints to the authorities and the news has come in the newspaper, no action was taken either against the offending police officers, either department or otherwise. Though it was handed over to crime detachment, but the petitioners were not satisfied with the same, and so they want the investigation to be conducted by either Central Bureau of Investigation or by a special team of crime branch. It is submitted that the above writ petition is filed by Gokulam P.O. Tirunduram before the Honorable High Court with a prayer to issue an order directing the government and the higher authorities to register a crime case on the basis of a complaint filed by the petitioner stating that his son Sri Shrine was brutally manhandled by the police, especially by the Inspector of Police and Sub Inspector of Police. The petitioner further prayed for a direction to hand over the investigation of the above case either CBI or a special team of the crime branch, since the alleged person above case are higher police officers. On getting the additional statement, the counsel for the petitioners submitted that even now the petitioners were not satisfied with the manner in which the investigation is likely to be conducted by the crime branch. According to him, no action has been taken against the police officers departmentally as well. The learned state public prosecutor submitted that the officers have been transferred from that place and departmental action is initiated. It is true that parties may have their own apprehension if the investigation is not being conducted in the manner in which they wanted to proceed, but it is settled law that this court is not expected to issue any mandamus to the police department as to how the investigation has to be conducted or by whom it has been conducted in the initial stages. If the court is satisfied that the investigation is not conducted by proper officials and parties may not get justice at their hands, probably this court may invoke the extraordinary power and direct the investigation to be conducted by a special team or by a particular agency, including the Central Bureau of Investigation.